Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Vechain here, and as we can see, looking like it still is on the path, basically heading to the upside here inside. Now we're back inside this range that I did talk about. You can obviously see this range that has been here for God knows how long really, ever since we came down here. When we had that little crash last year in May, you can see we came down, consolidated, came down again, formed a range from low to high, from high to low, sorry. And you can see here, we were coiling inside this range, going up and down for a good while. Obviously the FTX collapse sent us to the downside again. And then going into the new year, we've had this pickup off the low for a lot of cryptos, haven't we? And you can see Vechain here, no exception. We came back inside the range and back tested as support, which was cool to see. We come back up, and then I said if we do come down here and back test this kind of area, I would be entering along, which is what I did. You can see evidence of that in the previous video, a few videos that I have been talking about this. And you can see ever since then we have been heading up towards my profit target, which is this swing high area here. You can see obviously we got up to about the candle area of this and then got rejected. And now looking like basically we've come down and back tested this previous level here. Maybe going to get that continuation to the upside as well in the local area. So overall a lot of altcoins are heading to the upside, aren't they? Things overall looking pretty good for the altcoin market in the very, very short term. Over the past month or so you would say obviously it's up only kind of trajectory. But we are starting to see these bearish divergences for quite a few cryptos, which could see us coming back down, at least, you know, back down into some key areas like this, for example, over the next month or two. But overall for Vechain, I am still probably fairly confident now we're back inside this range that I just will be trading the range until it breaks. Because you can see here we came back inside it, retested as support, retested this level here as well as support. Continuing to the upside like this, so I would, you know, I'm basically what I said was I'm trading this range until it breaks. Now we're back inside of it, and it has been proven to be, you know, key support and resistance again. So very clearly, I'm just holding this position right now in profit, waiting for, you know, probably coming up into this area here where I'd probably close this in profit. And then obviously, if we do see ourselves continue up to this level at the top of the range, I will be putting in a short position here, basically, you know, trading longs when we hit support, trading shorts when we hit resistance, until we do see things break out in either direction. So Bitcoin right now not really doing much either, just chopping sideways while the altcoin market kind of recovers and has a little bit of a rally throughout this new year period. But for Vechain here, I am really just holding this, waiting until, in my opinion, we are going to head up to the middle of this range really, now that we're back inside of it. Obviously if we break this, that would be interesting, because we have been making, as you can see, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So if we came up and made a higher high, maybe a higher low, back testing the range, and then higher high coming up towards bear market resistance, that would be interesting to see, but obviously a long way away from that. In the short term, still bearish on cryptos overall, because we are still in a bearish trend for basically all of them, including Vechain. But mid to long term, 1 year, 5 years, 10 years down the line, I am still bullish on basically every crypto that we cover on the channel. Very, very strong fundamentals, and I do think that it's probably going to do well in the long term. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.